Welcome to 60 Seconds Perfect again. My name is Dario, in case you missed that other video. But today we're making omelets that you can make at home and also make them look fancy. So the first thing you want to do is crack eggs into a mixing bowl and then start to whisk until combined. It's important here to get as much air into those eggs so you can have a nice fluffy omelet. So whisk away, but be careful not to over whisk. I like to add my salt and pepper after I'm finished whisking, but it's up to you and your preference. You want to get a pan on the stovetop to get it nice and hot, and then you're going to add about a tablespoon of butter so it can melt. You want to add your eggs in, and then it's time to start our figure 8 motion with our spatula. Shake your pan a little bit so all the uncooked egg mixture can settle. Also, a good tip here is scraping down the side of the pan so the overcooked portions of the omelets don't ruin your whole dish. So your eggs are going to start to coagulate, which just means turning liquid into a solid form, and this should take around 2 minutes. Lift up the edge of the omelet, and if it's holding together, it's ready to be folded. I normally fold from the right, and then I fold from the left, and this gives you the structure of your omelet. In this video, we top with chives, but you can use your favorite garnish. Thank you so much for joining us for our 60 Seconds Perfect. If you're looking for more recipes and tips, please visit us online at HelloFresh.com.